Hi guys, welcome back, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into the Ton network, which is a decentralized open internet that uses technology designed by the Telegram messaging app. I'm going to explain how many Toncoin I think you need to be a millionaire, and also give my detailed price prediction for this bull run. I will cover Ton's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider, and the future outlook for the Ton network. And I'll also compare Ton versus Solana's ecosystem, so keep watching to see which blockchain comes out as the winner. As always, the information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Ton. The Open Network, or Ton for short, is made up of many components, including the Ton blockchain, Ton DNS, Ton storage, and Ton sites. And the Ton blockchain is the main component that connects them all together within the ecosystem. The Ton blockchain has been designed to be a supercomputer, offering a variety of products and services with big ambitions to reach hundreds of millions of users worldwide, while also operating in a highly secure and scalable framework. What I think makes Ton stand out from its competitors is its fast transaction speed and time to finality, which is currently under 6 seconds. And we can see from the attached diagram when comparing time to finality with Ethereum and Solana, Ethereum takes around 10 to 15 minutes and Solana, which is one of the fastest blockchain, takes 6.4 seconds. Toncoin is the native cryptocurrency token of the decentralized layer 1 blockchain, the Open Network, and Ton uses a technology designed by the popular messaging app Telegram. On the 31st of October 2023, the Ton blockchain set a world record as the fastest, most scalable blockchain. It was able to process 100,000 transactions per second on its very first performance test, which is impressive. And it was able to achieve this incredible feat due to its multi-blockchain architecture and sharding, which basically divides the blockchain into smaller pieces known as shards. Ton was created in 2018 by Telegram Messenger and raised a staggering $1.7 billion at the time of inception. However, it wasn't all plain sailing at the start, as the project was hit by charges from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, which said the token violated securities laws. This led to Telegram having to stop developing the Ton project as part of the settlement with the SEC. It was, however, later continued by new developers, and Ton today is run by the Ton Foundation, who state on their website that the project is decentralized with no single entity controlling it. Ton Supply and Tokenomics. Ton launched with a total supply of 5 billion tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 3.4 billion tokens. Toncoin is the native digital cryptocurrency token of the Ton ecosystem and serves a number of use cases, including for all payment transactions on the network, for rewarding stakers who stake Ton tokens to contribute to network security, and also for on-chain governance as well. The Ton blockchain operates on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, with the website showing it has over 500 million validators currently staking to help secure and maintain the network, and Ton has 17.2 million accounts using the network, which is huge. Also, it was announced in October 2023 that the Ton community have locked up nearly 25% of the token supply for 5 years, which will help reduce the circulating supply and in turn benefit investors. Ton ecosystem. The Ton network is a state-of-the-art blockchain network that comprises key products including Ton storage, Ton DNS, Ton apps and services, and Ton wallet. Firstly, looking at Ton storage, it works in a similar way to Dropbox, but offers the added benefit of private encryption through a user's wallet private key, adding an extra level of security. Ton DNS, or Ton Domain Name Service, enables users to give their crypto wallets, smart contracts, or websites short readable names, rather than lots of random letters and numbers, therefore helping to simplify their addresses. The Ton blockchain is home to more than 795 decentralized applications and enables developers to create new applications in areas such as exchange dexes, games, launchpads, and more, all with a user-friendly interface. Next, the Ton wallet offers a variety of custodial wallet services that allow users to store their Ton coins, making it easy for users to interact with apps on the network. And it was announced recently that Telegram officially integrated a Ton-based self-custody crypto wallet known as Tonspace, making it accessible to Telegram's 800 million plus user base, which is big news. Toncoin passive income. Ton has two main ways to generate passive income, which are either as a validator or as a nominator. I'll explain now what each one is. Firstly, nominator pools allow Toncoin holders to lend their assets to validators via a pool and earn rewards in the process, which in turn helps to maintain the network. And Ton uses a fully open source decentralized staking pool system. A Ton validator's role is to verify all transactions on the network, and by validating blocks they receive rewards in the form of Toncoin tokens for their efforts. And it should be noted that to become a validator, you will need access to high-performance hardware and a minimum of 300,000 Toncoin staked, which is fixed for a specific period and refunded with interest after the completion of the validation round. Key points of Ton. Ton has several benefits that make it a great blockchain, including one of the largest ecosystems. The Ton ecosystem is one of the biggest in the cryptocurrency space, making it able to offer everything you could possibly want. Fastest transaction speeds. Ton is one of the fastest blockchains on the market, having recently been able to achieve over 100,000 transactions per second in recent testing. Prioritizes security and scalability. Ton prioritizes security and scalability by utilizing a decentralized network and energy-efficient consensus mechanism. Integration with Telegram. Ton Space allows users to access the Ton blockchain directly with Telegram's messaging app, making Ton easily accessible to Telegram's 800 million plus user base, which is huge. Ton versus Solana. When comparing the ecosystems of Ton and Solana, I looked at some of the main areas of block time, how long it takes to generate a new block on the blockchain, time to finality, how quickly a transaction is settled, and current market caps. In terms of block time, as the chart shows, Ton can generate a new block in 5 seconds, which makes it slightly slower when compared to Solana's 1 second block time. When it comes to time to finality, i.e. how quickly a transaction is settled on the blockchain, Solana takes 6.4 seconds, whereas Ton takes under 6 seconds, making Ton the winner. Next, when it comes to cross-shard communication, this enables a blockchain network to process more transactions and achieve higher throughput, all without sacrificing security or decentralization. And as we can see from the chart, Ton offers near instant cross-shard communication, while Solana doesn't have this feature. Finally, when comparing current market caps, Ton has a current market cap of around 21 billion at time of recording, compared to Solana's 74 billion market cap, making Solana the leader currently in terms of market value. So to conclude, when it comes to time to finality and cross-shard communication, Ton is the clear winner, but Solana is the more established blockchain currently in the market when it comes to market cap. How many Toncoin to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Toncoin in this bull run, let's remind ourselves of Toncoin's previous all-time high price, which was $7.65. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 25 billion. With this information about the previous market cap and all-time high price, let's now look at the current market cap of one of its main competitors, Solana. As we can see, the current market cap of Solana is around 74 billion, with Solana's all-time high price at time of recording being $259. My prediction for the Solana in this bull market is it could get to over $500. So if this was to happen, this would give Solana a market cap of over 200 billion. On the conservative end of my price prediction, Ton could increase its market cap to around 100 billion, and this would give Ton a price of $30. On the higher end of my price prediction, if Ton was able to get to a market cap of around 121 billion, which would still be a fraction of Solana's predicted market cap potential of 200 billion, this would give it a price of $35. I believe a price of between $30 and $35 Toncoin is possible in the next bull run. But how many Toncoin would you need to be a millionaire in this bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and a predicted sell price of $30, we can see it require a significant investment of $210,000 at today's price to get to $1 million mark in this bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $35, you would need an investment of around $180,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in this bull run. At the $30 price prediction, you would need to buy around 34,000 Toncoin, which is an investment of $210,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in this bull run. At the very high end of our $35 price prediction, you would need to buy around 29,000 Toncoin, which is an investment of $180,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in this bull run. Ton future outlook. I believe the Ton network is showing real potential in the cryptocurrency space, and what makes it stand out for me is its integration with the Telegram messaging app, which I feel is a game changer by opening the door for Ton to gain access to Telegram's 800 million user base. It also has to be mentioned as well that its multi-blockchain architecture and sharding make Ton's blockchain super fast and scalable, with it having set world record in October 2023 for processing 100,000 transactions per second. So with all this said, I think Ton offers a significant advancement with its technology. Its integration with the Telegram messaging app enables it to leverage Telegram's extensive user base, and so I will be watching closely to see how the project continues to grow over the next few years. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.